If you're looking for a new smart doorbell, this one's hard to beat for the price and quality. Let me show you what I got. So the second generation Ring Doorbell, I've got mine running on battery here. It's a rechargeable internal battery, and it can also be hardwired. What you get in the box is everything you would expect if you've installed one of these before, but it's pretty simple, straightforward. You get the doorbell itself, you get a plate that you will clip it onto, you get a small USB cable to recharge it, and it also comes with a new type of tool that allows you to release it off the plate. And this is the tool that keeps it from being stolen, really, but it just keeps it from being taken off of its um, installation plate here, and it makes it a good secure fit when it clips in. So once you've charged it, you're ready to install it both physically and with your system. So I really like the way that this one looks. This is arguably one of the better looking doorbells out there. It does come with its screws. I have a wood plate here that I've used on my brick because I hate trying to install things on brick. Here's what the tool looks like. You can pop it off of its installation plate, and it's very easy to connect and set up. You will need to scan its code so that you can install it. If you have the Ring app, it's going to install very easily with that. Also works with your Alexa app, and you can set your detection zones here in case you don't want to detect everything. In my case, I don't want to detect the road. I just want my driveway. And also like this view that it gives you head to toe, so you know what's going on. You can also mark out a zone, as I've done here with my neighbor's window. I do not want my neighbor to be recorded on mine, neither does he want to be recorded. So this is a good aspect and easy to do on this doorbell, easier than others that I've used before. Um, this was arguably the easiest installation that I've done with one of these. And what you're getting in terms of product for the price and its easy workability, I think is worth its weight in gold. So Ring products, they're simple, they're easy to use, and they work. And that's what you want. You want a doorbell that works when you need it to work and that connects easily, and you cannot beat the ease of use and the consistency of these Ring products. And at this price that you can buy the Generation 2 doorbell here for and wire it or use it on battery, you're not going to find a better product, I don't think, of anything that I've used. This is easily the most solid and possibly the best looking. And then at 4:49 a.m., we have another package coming. Bottom line is, if you're looking for an economy doorbell that you know will work, this is going to be a very good choice for you. You'll find the link in the comments below, in the description below, sorry. And if you have any comments, please leave them.